Hi everybody, guess what? It is time to show you guys coupons to print. I always print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get now it looks like you get 2 points for every coupon you print. So why not get paid to print coupons? So if you guys are interested in joining Swagbucks, I have a referral link below. You guys get points for every time you print coupons. That's the only reason why I have Swagbucks. There's other reasons to use it, but I don't really care for it. But I'm here to share with you guys coupons. Now I kind of looked at it and I'm very disappointed in the coupons to print this week. But I would recommend printing. If you guys want to do the Schick razors, there's that $3 off disposable razors. We have the $1 off Suave, which you guys can combine with the manufacturer coupons. Not together, but you guys can buy like 3 items instead of that. Here we have $2.50 off of Excedrin. I know there is a deal at CVS with that. I see the Garnier, I don't even know if that one's new. I've been kind of out of the loop. But here we have $1 off Excedrin. And there's not much off. $1.50 off of Dentex. I know that's an older coupon, but just going through this is very lame. Not hardly any coupons to print. I'm just kind of sad, but I'll still print them off because it's still free money. So I'm just gonna go a little fast for you guys because you guys can check this out yourself. I just wanted to share with you guys. I did print some coupons yesterday, and I highly recommend doing that one. Is print the $1.50 off of Bounty. So wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, that is all the coupons that I found on coupons.com. Remember I say I just go to Swagbucks, but they also have the option where you guys can print off of Red Plum, and here they have the same coupons, $2 off any one Excedrin. I'm going to print that one off. Then they got the Dixie plates. I'm definitely going to print that off. And then the Noxzema. And so yeah, so any coupons that you print from this side, you get 1 point. So just wanted to share with you guys on coupons to print, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.